Thanks for clicking on this video. In this video, I'll be sharing with us how to make a slice text. You are welcome to this channel. I'm Peter by name. In case you are new here or returning viewers and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Now let's move to what we are here for today. Let us create a graded background. Now that we have created a graded background, you can also use a solid color, depend on how you want it to be easy to. So now let's use a graded background. It doesn't mean anything. After you have created a background, you input the text you want to slice. For this, let us use PicText as the first example. Select the any of the selecting tools. For this, let's use the rectangle selecting tools. After we have selected it, select the side you want to slice. After we have selected the area you want to slice, you create a layer mask on it. Now we have layer masked it out. You just duplicate the layer. You see we are having two layers. Now make sure you are selecting the first layer. After you have selected the first layer, press Ctrl I. Okay, now we have this. After this, you just click on the first layer, then you add a new layer on top it. You can see this. After you have done this, make sure you are on this second layer, then you right click, select create clipping mask. Now select a brush. After you have selected the brush, make sure your foreground color is black. You can see this. Select black as your foreground color, then set this brush size, opacity and other things you wish to set. Now you draw across. You can see the black effect is now following as we are drawing. Now we have this done. We have sliced this text. You see they are now separate. Okay, let's group this, then we proceed to the second example. Input the text. Let us use slice for this, and I will be using pen tools to perform the slice. Pen tools and select the parts you wish to slice. And click on layer mask and proceed to duplicate the layer, just as we did for the first example. Click the original layer and press Ctrl I. You should get this if you follow the steps correctly. Create a new layer above it and create clipping marks of the layer. Now select brush and set the size. Apply the brush across it and you can see the magic. Here is the result. Group these two and we proceed to the third example. Let's use subscribe for this. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so and remember to like this video. Let's change the font and size. We have done that. I will be using pen tools for this. Now select as we did earlier and layer mask it. Duplicate and press Ctrl I. Make sure you are on the first layer before pressing Ctrl I. You don't need a new layer or brush for this example. What to do is only to change the color, and that is all. Let's change this color to blue and then let's change this to red. Let's group it, then we see what we have. Now we have this. Name each of the layer what they represent. All right, let's change the background color. Let's change to solid color. Okay, let's choose color black. Okay, now it is done. And that is how to make a slice text using Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please kindly drop a comment in the comment box, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified when next I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.